guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this Pental Arts 50 set. I have this big package with it. You know, I love drawing and I go to drawing class. I have so many crayon sets. So one of them is here, the Big Ideas Jumbo Wax crayons. They work pretty good, but not for blending. I say those wrong. Yeah, so that's not good enough. And this might look like a candy box to you because it had chocolates in it before until I filled it up with crayons. A bunch of crayons. They're all different from different brands. So I'm going to put those aside. And I hold my trusty notebook to see how they work and compare them with these two crayons. My drawing teacher told me to buy this 50-pack pencil set. So I bought the 12-pack, the pencil one, and it worked pretty good. It blended nicely, but it did not have the right colors for me. The colors that I needed should be actually here, and the light green, yellow green should be here. And I do not have any of the dark green left. And I did not have the pink, purple, other shades like Persian blue. So that's why I had to buy a new set. I'm going to show you some drawings which I made with the pencil, and sometimes also use these wax crayons and some of these in there. So I'm going to show you. Let me find one. I have my trusty notebook with them. That's not that. 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 Ooh, here's the one. It's a swan. I did not have pink and purple shades for this one, so I used red, orange, and yellow. See it? Zoom it in so you can see it. I have another drawing you might like. This is with color pencils. I really also like it. It's with color pencils. And what else? So, no, this one is not. No. This is with HB I got from Anderson. It's a blending pencil. I can show you. I'll get my hands dirty with it. See not this one. This is also one of my color pencils drawing. I still have to do the blue borders, and I do not like the red creepy eye here. And I have one more that I just did yesterday. This is a colored paper, also used by blue sketch pen. I did it in my drawing class yesterday. It's not drawing, but it's actually a craft. And what are we talking about? Let's just start opening this thing up already. Okay, so I have my trusty red scissor. I think you don't need scissors for this. So carefully. It's hard. That's hard. Oh, yeah. There we go. I opened it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay. Carefully take it out. Got some bubble wrap here. Nice, fresh color pencils and crayons, oil pastels, and there's some bubbles in here. Oh, that makes a nice sound. It's a pleasant. It's so satisfying to pop them. But I'm gonna do that later. And look at this. Exactly matches this set. Look at this. Come here. Come here. So you can see it shows here like these lines, and over here it too shows these lines. So I'm kind of excited to open this. Oh my god. Oh, ripped it open. Hallelujah. Let's get around of this thing. Come here. Okay, come here. Come here. Okay, I'm going to show you this way so you can see it. I'm going to open this. Oh my gosh! These look so cute. Look at these shades. Oh, I just took it out. That's a cool set. That's a cool package. Okay, so I have these shades. I say this is yellow green. Yeah, yellow green. So where's yellow green? I think that's yellow green, number 17. Pale blue is here. Cobalt blue is here. This is a peach orange. Yeah, this is pale orange. Yeah. The white, normal white. Ooh, there's two whites. Oh, they're the same number. Which is this color? I think that's the color. Yeah, that's the color. It's number 8, brown. This is just a normal black. And this gray is number 26, like the white. 26. Oh, where's 26? Light gray. 47. Oh, there we go. 26 gray. This is the color. I'm going to want to test them out right now. So I'm going to move this here. Bring in my notepad, which I'm going to show you. Just bring this color back. And now I'm going to be testing, getting a few colors from each color. So I'm also going to be testing out this color, these colors, to see if they're the exact same stem. I want to check another red in here. Is there any red? Yeah, okay, I'm going to find this red, and I had another red. This red. So I'm going to test this red, and with a new fresh red. These reds. I'm also going to try the old one. Remove them, and I'm going to try them all. Let's see. Ooh, this is a nice fresh color. Oh, that's a fresh red. Let's try this one. Ooh, that's a lot darker. That's a lot darker than that. Let's try the rest of it. See this? I'm telling you this. See this crumpy spot? Can't actually scratch it. When you scratch it, it looks pink. That's the thing. So that's the thing. Let's try the other red. Let's try it below. So this is from another brand. It doesn't say the name on the crayon. And this is the wax one. These two are Pental, but this is a lot of difference. This is a little darker than that one. It looks for me. And these look so smooth, but they look different. But just leave it. So I'm gonna show you all the rest colors. First, let me make a border so no one gets mixed up. These are the colors too. Okay, I'm just gonna make a black border and start. I'm gonna start from right. I wanna see that. Can you see it? Oh, I can exactly see the white from on the paper. Weird. That's so strange. I can see the white on the paper. Let's try this light yellow. Nice. This lighter yellow. I think those two are in the wrong way. Yeah. Okay, this is darker. I want to see all the color shades. Ooh, this one is chrome yellow, I think. Yeah, chrome yellow. I'm gonna try these two light oranges. This light orange. Yellow orange it is. This dark orange. And that's a lot of major difference. This pale light orange. It's pale orange. These almost have a difference in there. Yeah. Take one of the pinks. This dark pink here, and I see it. Ooh, that's fresh light color. That's a smooth color. Let's try one of the reds. This one. I think we haven't tried this one. Yeah, I think we have. That's a nice. They're all so smooth. I want to try this purple. Ooh, nice purple. Nice medium purple. And this, is this pink? No, this is old rose. Oh, that's kind of like a pink. Let's try this one. That's a darker color. Okay. This one has the looping. This one has the same as this. Little oval work. Let's try this golden color. Ochre. So this is the ochre. Ooh, nice. Let's try the browns. One of the browns. Let's try this brown. There's so many colors in there. I want to try this lightest. Is this turquoise? Pale green. How does a pale green look like? Oh, this just looks like the white. It looks like the white. This is blue green. Oh my gosh, how fresh is this color? This is so fresh. Let's try the pale blue. Pale blue's nice. This blue. Ooh, that's a nice smooth color. Gray color. This gray color I want to try. Nice. And it's black. Oh my god. These are so nice. I'll try these two blacks. Yeah, they're the same. They're the exact same. Now let's see how the black goes in this one. Yeah. Yep, this black, totally a failure. This looks like gray. Mostly gray. Is there more blacks? I think this one has the wax crayon now. Ooh, that looks like gray too. That looks like gray too. That's more a little better, but these two are way better. Pencils are great. Great, 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 great. And this is how it looks like. And this way, other way around. I want to see the blending. I want to see the blending. I want to see the blending. So let's see the blending now. Of this dark pink color in here. I'll test it with the light pink. Ooh, it works really smoothly. Now if I blend it with the, I want to see if I can blend it with the light purple. The blending is super duper nice. I would totally recommend this blending. I can even blend it with my hands. It's a nice blending. I would totally recommend this. 5 stars for it. 5 stars. So would I recommend buying this big 50 Pental set, or at least trying it with the 12 set or 25 or 30? I would say yes. It's totally worth buying £7 on Amazon.co.uk. I would definitely buy it. Definitely buy it. And this is, I'm gonna put this protective layer so it doesn't fall out, so I can show you. This is how it looks like. I put the protective layer on it, and this is so cool. So that's it for this video. And remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you get all the notifications of my new videos. Bye!